Hey guys, Happy New Year, Happy 2026. Look, I hope y'all had a great Christmas, a Happy New Year. I hope there's a lot of optimism around 2026 and maybe you got some resolutions or goals in fitness or business or family, faith, buying a new home, whatever that looks like. I hope you're excited for 2026. And hey, last week I was on here just talking about 2025, right? And showing some gratitude and appreciation for the past 3 years. And you know, my wife being a big supporter of this channel, and Alexis, the editor, who's been with me from day one, Michael, my business partner. So I ended 2025 just, man, really being thankful and appreciative of everybody. And obviously all of you who have clicked and liked and subscribed and shared and helped this channel grow, right? It's not a big mega channel by any means. It's personal and intimate, and you know, to me, it's very, very special. So a lot of appreciation in 25 and previous years, but it's the first Tuesday in 2026. And I want to look forward a little bit, but I want to do that with a little bit of your help. In the past 3 years, it's been a lot of fun. I've shot a whole bunch of videos on different topics. I've talked about the same topic a couple of different times. You know, I've been creating content and information and trying to build resources for you. So if you're thinking about buying in this area, second home, investment home, you're relocating permanently, over the past 3 years, we've created a very healthy network of resources. And obviously with intention, we would love to help you with your real estate needs, but if you got mortgage questions, let us help you. If you need a home inspector or a painter or a plumber, if you need a dock guy, if you need a yard guy, like whatever resource or information you need, we've created a network for you. So please call, text, email, reach out, do a Zoom call. Let us know what we can do to help you with any information you need here at the lake. And you know, I think when it comes to home buying or making a purchase, if you're doing it inside the city that you live, it's difficult enough when you already understand the terrain that you're doing it in. You live in that city, so you have a good lay of the land. You have people you can reach out to. You have resources and a network, and it's difficult enough to sell and buy inside city limits. It's obviously a whole nother beast when you do it across state lines and clearly in an area that you're not familiar with. So I'm a huge component that in buying and selling, especially doing it across state lines, especially doing it at Lake of the Ozarks, you gotta get it right. At the end of the day, you gotta have a network of people that you know, you like, you trust to get that purchase done right, because the last thing you'd wanna do is make a move, buy a home in an area that you don't love, and now you're regretting that decision. So we've tried over the past 3 years to provide as much information and content and build a network and give resources for you to help you get it right. And of course, we would love to help you get it right along the way. But moving forward into 2026, I want some of your feedback. I want you to text, call, email. I want you to comment down below. What else do you need from us, right? So if there's video ideas, different areas of the lake, or taxes, or healthcare, or schools, or price points of homes, home tours, market updates, lakefronts, off lake, second, third tier, like what do you want a topic of a video? What do you need more information on that we can go out into the area, into the community, shoot some videos, give you back that information? I'm looking for different topics and ideas on what you need to help make your decision or provide you with the information that you're looking for to hopefully make your purchase that much easier. Obviously, when you're making a purchase from a distance, you got a lot of questions, and yeah, a lot of questions when it comes to real estate and price points of homes, bedrooms, bathrooms, docks, seawalls, lake stuff, off lake stuff. You have a lot of just real estate general questions, but then we find that there's a lot of other questions along the way too, and the community and the people, and where do I go for this or that, or what don't I know, or what should I expect? There's a lot more that comes with home buying out of state than just looking at the real estate and the property. And you know, Lake of the Ozarks is a very unique area, and it's big mountainous range with a lot of hills and steep roads and unique topography and terrain. And with that comes cell phone and Wi-Fi and nature and a lot of things that this area you're probably not used to if you're coming from some type of big city or suburban area. So we want to know what you need from us and give us some ideas. And you know, I think moving forward into 2026, I already have a bunch of topics and ideas of things that I want to do. You know, I want to try to show the lake a little bit better, try to capture some more drone and B-roll shots, talk about different areas of the lake and pros from one side to the other. Want to try to connect with my clients a little bit more and do a few more like client testimonials. So if you make a purchase, we would love to have you on the channel to share your experience. And hey, this is what it was like for us to relocate. We did it once last year and we had some positive feedback. So I want to try to do that. And I think just as the years have unfolded and we've created this information and resources and stuff, I think in moving forward into 2026, I want to continue to do that. Obviously, I want to do that with a little bit more intention and a little bit more help. So I want your feedback. I want to know what you're thinking. If you have topics of ideas, if you have different areas of the lake you want to see, anything that you want us to try to go and shoot a video on, please let me know what you think on that, or any other just feedback. Like, I'm open to feedback. I promise you guys, I get enough positive feedback and hey, you're doing a great job. I clearly get a lot of negative feedback too on, hey, you suck and you should do this better. So I'm open to all kinds of feedback because look, at the end of the day, I'm human. I don't know exactly what everybody wants and there's no way I'm gonna please everybody, but that's okay. I'm open to any type of feedback that you want to give us. I think at the end of the day, this channel was a lot of fun. Connecting with you was a lot of fun. Getting out and about and showing and sharing a lake that we have a lot of passion for is clearly a lot of fun, right? I say it all the time. I love making these videos. I love more to connect with you and help you in anything that you need here at the lake. So give me ideas on some topics. Leave me some comments down below. Continue to like, continue to share, continue to subscribe. I think 2026 is going to be a great year. I appreciate everybody for their engagement in the channel over the past 3 years and obviously any engagement that I get in the future. So reach out, let me know what I can do to help you. And until then, guys, we'll see you on the next video.